History questions with answers. 1. One of the following is wrong about prehistory. A. Prehistory is the study of events after human society developed the art of writing. B. Prehistory is the study of events before human society developed the art of writing. C. Prehistory is the study of distant past. D. Archaeology helps us in the study of prehistory. The answer is A. Prehistory is the study of events after human society developed the art of writing. Two. Which of the following statement is true about Confucianism? A. Confucianism was basically a secular philosophy and a religion. B. One basic common idea of Confucianism is that mankind is condemned to a cycle of rebirths. C. Confucianism was basically a secular philosophy, not a religion. D. Confucianism believes in life after death. The answer, C. Confucianism was basically a secular philosophy, not a religion. Three. The earliest human species to migrate from Africa to northern Asia and Europe was A. Homo habilis, B. Homo sapiens, C. Homo erectus, D. Archaic Homo. The answer is Homo erectus. 4. The writing system of ancient Sumerians was called A. Hieroglyphics, B. Logographic, C. Cuneiform, D. Latin. The answer is C. Cuneiform. Five. Which religion developed from the beliefs of the early Indo-Aryans? And one basic common idea of this religion is that mankind is condemned to a cycle of rebirths. A. Buddhism. B. Christianity. C. Hinduism. D. Islamic. The answer is C. Hinduism. Six. The glorious days of ancient Athens ended with the outbreak of the A. Punic War. B. Peloponnesian War. C. Crusade War. D. 7 Years' War. The answer B. Peloponnesian War. 7. The first known settlers of ancient Rome lived on the Palatine Hill about 1000 BC were a people called A. Latins. B. Arabs. C. Anglo-Saxon. D. Phoenicians. The answer is A. Latins. 8. The mandate of heaven was important to the rulers of ancient A. Greece. B. India. C. China. D. Assyrian. The answer is C. China. 9. What was the main cause of the Latin American Revolution in the early 19th century? A. The French colonization of Latin American people. B. The British colonization of Latin American people. C. The economic decline of Portugal and Spain. D. The influence of the ideas of the French Revolution. The answer is D. The influence of the ideas of the French Revolution. 10. Which of the following was the economic system of Europe from the end of the West Roman Empire to 1200s? A. Manorialism. B. Socialism. C. Capitalism. D. Imperialism. The answer is A. Manorialism. 11. Which dynasty in China established Neo-Confucianism as the official state philosophy? A. The Song dynasty. B. Yuan dynasty. C. The Sui dynasty. D. Ming dynasty. The answer is the Song dynasty. 12. Which university became the largest and most famous university in Europe during the 13th C, and served as a model for the majority of European universities? A. London University. B. Rome University. C. Paris University. D. Madrid University. Answer C. Paris University. 13. After the New Kingdom, in 343 BC, indigenous rule ended in Egypt with the conquest of A. Persian, B. Macedonia, C. Greek, D. Rome. The answer is A. Persian. 14. Who described Egypt as the gift of the Nile? A. Aristotle. B. Herodotus. C. Socrates. D. Plato. The answer is B. Herodotus. 15. Calvin's followers in France were called A. Huguenots, B. Presbyterianism, C. Anglican, D. Evangelical. The answer is A. Huguenots. 16. Which countries fought the 7 Years' War, 1756 to 1763, due to colonial rivalries in North America? A. France and Spain, B. Britain and Portugal, C. Britain and France, D. Portugal and Spain. The answer, C. Britain and France. 17. Why did the European begin to find and discover new sea routes to the India and Far East? A. Because the old routes to the Far East were blocked by the Umayyad Empire. B. Because the old routes to the Far East were blocked by the Ottoman Empire. C. Because the old routes to the Far East were blocked by the Persian Empire. D. Because the old routes to the Far East were blocked by the Mamluk Egyptians. The answer is B. Because the old routes to the Far East were blocked by the Ottoman Empire. The headquarters of the Governor of New France during colonialism in North America was A. New York, B. Quebec, C. San Francisco, D. Toronto. The answer is B. Quebec. 19. Which country established a total of 13 colonies in the present-day USA? A. France. B. Britain. C. Spain. D. Portugal. The answer is B. Britain. 20. All are the most prominent products of the South Atlantic world system. Except one: A. Sugar. B. Tobacco. C. Timber. D. African slaves. The answer is C. Timber.